Yes, let's work on swapping two variables corresponding values using Python. Okay, so we can perform this in various ways. Let us suppose you can take a temporary variable in order to perform swapping, and the other way is without using any temporary variable. So first, let us do swapping using temporary variable. Okay, so I'll take a value of a is equal to 100 and b value as 150. Now I want to swap this data. Okay, so using temporary variable, so you can take temp is equal to a, and then a is equal to b, and then b is equal to temp. Okay, now after doing this, if you print value of a and b, okay, so like a is equal to, and similarly if you print b value here, b is equal to, so this is absolutely after performing swapping, right? So I can add a couple of statements here. Okay, so print after swapping. Okay, so similarly I'll add these statements here, but this is going to be before swapping. Okay, so before swapping we are looking at values of a and b, and also after swapping we're displaying values of a and b. Okay, so let's run this code and see the result. You can observe before swapping value of a is 100 and value of b is 150. Now after swapping value of a is 150 and b is equal to 100. Okay, like this. Now let's do without using temporary variable. Okay, so without using temporary variable, so the easiest way that we can do in Python is simply writing like this: a comma b is equal to b comma a. Okay, so using which the entire content of a and b will be swapped without using any temporary variable over here. So you can see here, before swapping a is equal to 100, b is equal to 150, and after swapping a is equal to 150 and b is equal to 100. Okay, so apart from this, you can also make use of operators like addition operator, subtraction operator, and the other way is using a bitwise XOR operator. Okay, so quickly I'll show you how you can do without using temporary variable with the help of addition and subtraction operations. Okay, so let's do this. I'll perform a is equal to a plus b first. Okay, later b is equal to a minus b, then a is equal to a minus b. Okay, so you can observe here, when I mean a is equal to a plus b, where I have taken a is equal to 100 and b is equal to 150. So now this a is equal to 100 plus 150. So the corresponding result will be 250. Now the latest value of a is 250 here. Okay, so similarly if you look at this expression, b is equal to a minus b, current value of a is 250 minus b value is 150. Okay, so now you can write 100. Similarly, a is equal to a minus b, a value is how much? 250 minus b value is 100, so the value will be 150 here. Okay, so that's why when you print value of a after swapping, it will be 150 and b value is 100. Okay, so let's run this code and see the result. Okay, you can see before swapping a equal to 100 and b is equal to 150. After swapping a is equal to 150 and b is equal to 100. Okay,